Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how we can install Java 17 without using Homebrew. If you want to install Java 17 using Homebrew, then I have created another video on the channel. You can refer to that. So in this video we will use the DMG file which is available on Oracle's official website. So for that we will go to this particular link. So either you can go to this link directly or you can search this on Google. So let me show you that way as well. So if I write Java 17 download Oracle, then you will find this particular link. So there you will see two options are there, 21 and 17. So because 21 has just released in the September month, so that's why it is coming here, and the 17 is the LTS version, so it is coming here. So now I'll click on macOS option. There you can see there are two options for DMG installer. One is this, the second one is this. So if your system is silicon based Mac system, then you will have to go with this ARM64. If it is an Intel based system, then you will go with x64 DMG installer. So my system is silicon based, which means the Apple M1 or M2, then it will be silicon based, so you will have to go with this option. So I'll go with this option and I'll click on this particular link. Then this will ask to download this. I'll click on save and it might take couple of seconds. So after downloading this, we will start the installation of Java 17. So it is downloaded now. I'll click on this link. Then this pkg file pop-up will come up. Then I'll double click on this. This pop-up will come up now and I'll click on continue. Then install. Then it will ask the password of my current system. So I will enter that. I'll click on install software. Then the installation is succeeded. So I'll click close now. It is asking me whether I want to keep this JDK installer or not. So for now I'll keep this. Now I'll go to the terminal. Okay. So if I check the version now, so the Java 17 is installed. There is one more thing we need to do because some of the programs use the Java underscore home variable to access the Java binary files. So let's first check what is the value for this. So in most of the cases you will not find anything if you have installed Java first time. So we need to set the value for this Java underscore home variable. So let's first see where this JDK is installed. So I will go to this library, then Java and the Java virtual machines location. If I do ls here, so you will see this particular file. So this is actually a folder and here the JDK is installed. So if I go to inside this particular folder, then there will be contents folder. So we need to go to inside this contents as well. If I do ls now, so you can see these files will be there and this is the home where the Java is installed. So we need to set this particular home's path in this variable. So I'll go to this home now and here you can see all the binaries file and all the required files for the Java are present here. So if I do pwd here, so we need to set this path as the value of this variable. So for that we need to set this into the ZSHRC or the bash rc file. So according to your system, so if you are using Catalina or the above version, then you will have the ZSHRC file, and if you are using the lower version than the Catalina, then the bash rc file will be there. If this file is not there, then you will have to create that. So let's see where it is present. So it would be present at the home directory. So if I do something like this, so you will see the ZSHRC file is there because I am using the Ventura version, so which is above Catalina version. I'll just set the path in this file. So let me clear the screen first. I need to copy this path first. Then I will do vi ZSHRC. Then it is not in insert mode yet. Here you can see the file name. So I will press I here so that it will move to the insert mode. Then I can write anything in this. So I'll write java underscore home equal then the copied value of that path. Now I will press escape then colon wq. So it is write and then quit. I'll hit enter now or the return button now. Then I will have to source this file, source, then this particular file. Now if I check the value for this, so you will see this as output. So the value of this variable is set now. Okay, so this way you can install Java 17. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe this channel.